Hey guys, it's Annabelle, and today I'm going to be making DIY green slime. So, it says that we need to use borax, but we're going to be using Tide instead. So you need 2 mixing bowls. I have 2 of these. 2. Warm water, Elmer's glue, 1/4 teaspoon unsweetened Kool-Aid, or 4 to 8 drops liquid food coloring, which I'm using food coloring. Craft stick, we're using pencil instead. And borax, like I said, we're going to have to use laundry detergent, and we're using Tide. So step 1, mix together 1/3 cup warm water. I don't think it matters. Maybe I should have done this over. Okay, I'm scared that this is not going to move. Well, yeah, it does. I know that, actually. Okay, and then we're going to have to do 1 cup of this of Elmer's glue. So, here's my Elmer's glue. And also, I don't know why, but I'm never eating sour cream again because I found out that it's like made out of all sour milk and stuff. So this is what this reminds me of, melted sour cream. Oh, crud. That didn't work out so good. Okay, so just ignore that. Don't know what that is. Okay, so 4 to 8 drops. I'm gonna put 8 just to be safe. Actually, I think I'm just gonna put like 6 because that's like. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not gonna put 5 because that's a lot. It's gonna be really bad. Oh, it's because I put too much water in it. Okay, we're going to try and pour some of this out. So, some more warm water, but I don't, okay. I'm just going to put a random amount of water because I think we already put too much. Okay. Also, this is make the borax like really good. So, 3/4 cup warm water and 2 teaspoons of borax. I'm just going to put as much laundry detergent as I think I'm going to need. And I think I'm going to need like a lot, like that much. Maybe even more. This is not working out. I think this would even be better slime. Okay, so now we have to mix this yumminess. And then remove glob from bowl. This isn't even a glob, so don't know what this is. Okay, so do not make this slime. It's well, I guess here's some play with glob. This is a failure slime. Don't make it. Maybe if you have the right stuff, then you can make it, but don't make it if you don't have the right stuff. Okay. Bye, guys.